diamond deal, friends, cookie jammer, cookie pack, yeah. I got standards, diamond deal.
Diamonds on my neck, got diamonds on my records. Since 16, I'm coming down by Alexus. How you gon' neglect this? You was just a hot mess. You can call Tyrone, we got some library.
I'm making a change today. Well,
hey True Gang, welcome back to another video, another travel vlog to be exact. So if y'all have watched my most recent video, my birthday month vlog dump, y'all knew that this travel vlog was on the way. So tomorrow is my 26th birthday, so we are turning up in LA. This is my first time on the West Coast, well, in Cali. I've been to Las Vegas, but besides that, I've never been to Cali before, never been to LA before, so we're gonna explore it together. But yeah, we just got our rental car. We don't check into the hotel till later. We have dinner reservations tonight, dessert reservations. We're going out. We running low on sleep, but we're not sleeping this trip. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me for whatever I do, wherever we go. Y'all know how I roll. And I'll make sure to have everything up on the screen as well. If y'all have any questions, just comment them down below. And let's go see what LA is offering. Let's go. I play NBA in LA. Why we not playing Blast? It's okay. Let's go, driver.
niggas dying, falling.
If only you knew you do better. They better put some respect on your level.
Baby say the streets ain't safe. I stay dangerous, I make it back home. Beat the pussy like I beat that case. Yeah, if I bang it, I can't go wrong. When I kill it, I'ma leave no trace. Yeah, don't be mad, I'ma beat that case. Burn up a bed for DOA. But no matter what she gon' say, we gon' be okay. I'm convinced she don't want nobody else. Kiss it and never tell, she litty all by herself. Ain't need a nigga for help, I couldn't help it. I'm on the line like all the time, baby Velvet was popping up. Dreams got them thinking I'm from popping off. Throw away bitches living better than this bottom hole. If she ain't got a chicken, then she gotta go. Adios, pocket full of guala with designers on. I always leave my bitch at home. She be blowing up the lean while I'm eating up the road. Slip for like 20 when you see me in the stove. Red bottoms, buddy, gotta keep on the phone. Say the streets ain't safe. I stay dangerous, I make it back home. Beat the pussy like I beat that case. Yeah, if I bang it, I can't go wrong. When I kill it, I'ma leave no trace. Don't be mad, I'ma beat that case. Burn up a bed for DOA. But no matter what she gon' say, we gon' be okay. Ain't no safe zones in these streets. She won't even let me leave off flow without the yeet. It's L gang, mine's my tatted on your cheek. She ain't never had an active rich nigga on the big. Free the wolves, I just got a petty for the coupe. Not at all on her, I was heavy on the juice. Hold down a man, so I done fell on the move. I can't lie, bless you, my logo. LD, that's the truth. That's for sure, you the goat, I salute. Name one bitch, hold it down like you do.
No.
We going up, we going live. Can't stop, won't stop, told y'all.
Y'all, we finally found somebody we know, Mary J. And then Jeremy's over here standing by Pitbull. Okay. Usher. Babe, we hit a good street. Usher. This is a little dirty though. Yeah. I don't know this person. Blank. This one's reserved for me. Period. This one reserved for Jeremy. Period. This one reserved for y'all. The True Gang. And we cutting it off here. Y'all, so we just checked into the hotel. Somebody gave us an upgrade because this is not how our room looked in the pictures on Expedia. This is giving suite. And I'm here for it because it's my birthday. So thank you. Whoever read my notes, thank you. Shout out to you because this room, it was already amazing from the pictures. Like, it was already great, but it didn't have the separate living room, and it also didn't have a tub. And I was debating between this hotel and another hotel because the other hotel had a tub, and I really wanted to take like cute tub pics. And then I got here and we have this big bathroom with a shower and a tub, the separate living room, 2 mirrors, 2 TVs, the record player, like the hallway. Wow, thank God. But we are about to just relax, probably take a nap, and then we have dinner reservations at 7. I didn't even tell y'all how early and stuff we got up. We got up at like 2:30 Eastern Standard Time to make our 6:45 flight, and then time went back 3 hours here. We just checked in at 3 o'clock, so we landed here like 9. So we ended up, y'all saw what we did. just like exploring, doing touristy stuff until we could check in. So we are exhausted because back home it's like 6 o'clock. So we are off schedule, but we're still keeping the momentum going. We're gonna take a nap, refresh, get ready for dinner and stuff, and then the night is young, so y'all stay tuned. Ignore my hair because the wind here, y'all, it's cold. Number one, it's colder here than it was back in Atlanta, and I'm just so shocked. And then the wind is crazy. Like, my hair was all like that. Y'all have probably seen it. I should have told Jasmine to leave out my edges. She had asked me and I was like, no, like, it's fine. Like, minimal leave out as possible. No, I needed my edges because this wind has my hair back like this. And y'all can see. But it's okay. Still a baddie. I am debating whether I'm going to curl my hair today or tomorrow. I said I was going to curl it today, but I'm tired. So we'll see. But y'all will see it if I ended up doing it. But yeah, still a baddie, still a cute. It's a mini bar for me that we are not touching. But yeah, we don't have a view. That's the only thing, but it's okay. Like, we're around all these buildings, so I didn't expect to have a view anyway. I just wanted a nice room in a nice hotel. They have a really like, they have restaurants here. They have a rooftop here where we're going to Tao for dinner, and that's right next door. So it's in a convenient location. It's really nice. So I'm just thankful for that. And then y'all saw the little iPad thing. I don't know what all we could do on the iPad, but I'm gonna see. But yeah, let me stop rambling and I'll see y'all tonight. Y'all, this man made me move the reservation back because he was so hungry. Just kidding, it was all me.
Told the girls to meet at Tower. Now y'all doing shots. Now them bitches got you fired up. Don't know who you talking about. I'll put that on the router. Turning up on me, don't make me turn it back around. And you know, think I'm Tiger Woods the way I'm teed on the 17. And you know, pockets on whatever jeans, forever green. And you know,
This is a pretty car. Where did you get the car from?
Don't worry about it.
It's pretty.
every single thing, there was plenty things I didn't know. Plenty things you didn't say. Was fucking with you anyway.
I love you too. Thank you.
You decide to take it to the grave. I know you gon' take it. And you know. And you know. And you know. And you know. Okay.
Before heading to our dessert reservation, we made a quick pit stop back at the hotel so Jeremy could grab our jackets. But this is our hotel at night. It's such a vibe, y'all. If y'all have the chance to stay here, I 100% recommend. So freaking nice.
You are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your love is totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. Your body never can be she. Open up, make I see one. You're my love one since it. If you make a bad man sing,
Perfect time to talk to the vlog while we taking a break. So, how was Tao?
Tao was busting. I really enjoyed myself. The atmosphere was fantastic.
The vibe was 10 out of 10. The DJ, fire. The food, very flavorful. The drinks, strong. I had one and I'm feeling it.
The drinks was hidden.
Yes, hidden for sure. The fit, y'all haven't even seen it yet. Well, maybe y'all have. I don't know. We'll see. But we just finished dinner. Why are you looking like that? Don't hate it. I'm gassing myself up.
Ain't nobody.
It's my birthday. Oh my gosh, I didn't even say, y'all. It's my birthday. Well, it's my birthday in Atlanta. Right now, it's 9:31 in LA, but it's my birthday. So if y'all haven't told me happy birthday yet, go ahead. Thank you. Thank you. I just thank y'all in advance. It is my 26th birthday. So at the table, we were really talking about how we just feel like this year is about to be a year of like elevation for me, like more favor, success, and how like I feel like I've been at the peak of things and like everything will come into fruition. So excited to see what 26 will be for me and take y'all along the journey, of course. So thank you, True Gang, so much for sticking it out with me. I love y'all. And we made it to 26. Okay, so now we're about to go to Better Than Sex to have dessert and drinks in about 30 minutes. Our reservation's at 10. I have moved everything back. I don't know if I included that clip, but basically we were hungry, so we got Popeyes, so I had to move the Tower reservation back and this reservation back. So yeah, it's almost time for it now though. But I'm not that tired anymore. Are you still tired?
Alright.
Yeah, I feel like I'm kind of like good. So I guess the jet lag is over. I don't know. We'll see. But I'll see y'all at the restaurant. Y'all know the vibes. If you love me, buy me this vinyl, because I love me some Sam. If y'all didn't know. Okay, I'll turn it on. 33:45. Mine ain't got these type of settings. Ooh. Oh no. Oh my gosh, it's live.
Let me see your phone.
Oh my gosh, I need this vinyl so bad.
Everybody put your phones in
How
the
do you turn it up? Where's the volume? Stay with me. I'll take care of you. Can you hear my call? Oh! Good morning, True Gang. It's still my birthday. So it's currently 7 something in LA. Me and Jeremy just got up. I woke up at like 5 something, but then I went back to sleep. But I wanted to show y'all how this hair curler thing, the heatless hair curler, worked out. So I will say it's fallen, of course, because I was sleeping wild and my do-rag fell off. But last night, right after I curled my hair, I put this in my hair. Chef's kiss. So if y'all were interested, Aaliyah was right. It works wonders. And I'm hoping I don't have to touch up my hair today. So let's take it out together, even though it's like already falling out. And it's pretty simple to like take out. Are you kidding? Aaliyah got me saying, are you kidding? Y'all. Did I even sleep on my hair? Wow. Wow. This looks so good. And I don't have to touch anything up. Like I could touch up the front pieces, but I like when they're like not as curly. This is so cute. Okay, so we're about to put on clothes and then go to Eggslut if I haven't said that already. That's on my list. And then today we're doing like a day trip to Malibu, Santa Monica, and Venus, since they're all like out there on the coast. and in like close distance of each other, without traffic. And y'all know we rented a car, so it is what it is. So let's go get breakfast.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I grab into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my G. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip. Straight up out the object, I'm a big grip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip. I run the racks up with my queen, like London and dip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I had this out of the baby, get out.
Yo, we are struggling trying to figure out this parking situation to go to Eggslut. So if y'all ever are trying to go to Eggslut, just know that this is confusing if you don't do like street parking. But there's like no parks on the street either, like close to it. So we came to the mall, and then you can't get to Eggslut through the mall. And now we're back in the same parking garage. We don't know. Pray for us.
I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer calls cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I've been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got a bad bitch ass, daddy, whoa, whoa. Attention to my toes, two twins, I'm fucking them both. I put it in with the keys, bought it like a boat. I was down bad on my dick, what was you niggas say? I know you turned your back on me just to get some wrecks. I see you swerve back, cause I'm in the black bag. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I been getting paid. Got the diamonds on me, look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that new Bday.
Hey y'all, so I got the bacon, egg, and cheese, of course. Let's take the first bite together. Is it Spanish? Wait. It looks like it's ketchup on here though. Or some type of thing. But I'll have one of it for the hash brown. Okay. That's good. Yeah, it's ketchup on here. I got ketchup on the same. They can't put it on the side of my hash brown. Truffle hash brown. Ooh, babe. Come here. Try that hash brown.
Connect all the dots, but I can help you do that. Sorry, love you. I'm the only hope you have to save London. Want to make sure, man?
Yeah. Leaving me, dipping out on me already. Got what you needed, I guess, quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess, yeah. I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over text and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're fake. I always want the truth, but it's fake.
So my initial plans for driving out to Malibu was to go to this vineyard and do wine tasting, but they ended up being closed for a private event. So we just ended up continuing to drive all the way to Santa Monica and just exploring the coast along the way.
I wanna be around while you fake. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're fake. I always want the truth, but it's fake. You got something real life, baby. You wanna get with me, stop. Yeah. Those on this side, those on this side.
Nice hotel.
is out here. Y'all, it is so cold out here, so I got this hat, but in brown, to match my pants. But that LA bucket hat is so cute, but it's a kid, so to know. My hat, so cute. She styled me.
Bateria, eletrônica, molequinha sinistro. Bateria, eletrônica, molequinha sinistro. Bateria, eletrônica, molequinha sinistro. Molequinha.
We did it! Boy! Please! Are you gonna take my pictures or no? I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I can take a picture.
Get away from me. Ew. Ugh. We coming.
Sorry.
Y'all, it's another rainy day in LA. We got our ponchos on that we bought yesterday. We just left Roscoes. We have museum tickets today to the Broad Museum. It's contemporary art, pop art, and they have like this immersive experience thing. Y'all, we weathering through this weather, trying to make the best of the trip, even though it's been raining since we got here, basically. But it's okay. We're geared up. We done ate good. The food was really good. It took a little minute, but it was fresh, so good. So it was worth it.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for you. So cheap and your flex so D, your sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey, you got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the vibes is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. No, baby, in a bag, in a Birkin. No, not a pop, but the work it. Lost and all, I love them all. For me, a perfect. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl.
step outside of it. Okay. Whoa. Yo. This is so cool. So after the museum, before going back to our hotel to rest up for dinner, we went to the Tommie Hotel, which was one of my top 3 choices for us to stay at. And we just wanted to go over there and get a drink from the bar. There was a little bit confusion on when the bar opened, so they gave us these free drink coupons. And then we made our way up to the rooftop, which, y'all, it was raining so bad. So, like, the outside of the rooftop, y'all will see, is, like, covered in water. But they have this indoor-outdoor feel. So it's perfect that they have, like, an indoor space. So this is just our way of making it around the corner. As you can see, it's drenched, and then indoor it's fine. So they're fully equipped for rainy days, but they have like musicians and stuff come perform, and then it's just a vibe in here. Like, I can tell that it's probably really popping on the weekends and especially on good weather days. But we just grabbed a drink, chilled out a little bit, had the bar to ourselves, and then people started floating in whenever it was like time for us to head back.
It costs you extra to record this.
It does. I gotta get it. Is that the Jolene?
That's that Jolene.
Y'all, this was the best on the rocks margarita I've ever had in my life. Y'all, my drink is called the Jolene. Alright, we gotta sing. Jolene, Jolene. Just because you can.
That's not happening. Oh, bad. Oh, bad.
Yo, I'm so hyped right now. So we left the bar at the other hotel that I was telling y'all we almost stayed at. And then we came back to our hotel, and they have like wine and cheese. I think I showed y'all some. I got some cheese, and then I got some rosé. Jeremy went back down to get some wine because they ran out of glasses. But oh my gosh, as we were walking back to the elevator, guess who I saw? Y'all, I'm starstruck right now because it's like one of my favorite TV shows right now. Okay, so if y'all watch Sisters on BET by Tyler Perry and Zatima, I saw Zach, y'all, and he said hey to me. We were walking to the elevator, and he was like coming around the ramp. And I said, oh my gosh, it's Zach from Sisters. Like, I couldn't even control it. Like, I was starstruck. Like, normally I try to keep my cool. I couldn't keep my cool. I was like, oh my gosh, it's Zach from Sisters. And he said, oh, hey. Hold on, y'all, my mama called. I gotta tell her a story. So, me and my mom watch this show every single Wednesday. So, she was hyped. She had a basketball game, but she telling her friends. But, y'all, she was like, did you take a picture with him? And I was like, no, I was too starstruck. But it's okay. I got to say hey. At this point, it was too late to take a nap, so I was just turning up until dinner time.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Cali Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. Need some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, got the Louis off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get little maybe. In the meantime, I go well.
On the count, we're gonna sing 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alexus. Happy birthday to you.
My prince in shining armor.
Come.
I love you.
Come.
In the meantime, I go well. It's some me time. You know what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
So after dinner, we headed to the Ace Hotel because the rooftop is supposed to be really lit on Friday nights. But it turns out that they moved the party to the theater next door. We were super early, so it wasn't that many people in there, but the DJ was so good. But I'm so sad because we had to leave because my feet were hurting. I was not prepared for this. Y'all, the hotel rooftop had to close because it's raining, but they moved the party to the theater next door. We was partying in the theater and the DJ is so lit, but my feet hurt, so we had to leave. But he's so lit, like playing good music, like Texas music, like wow.
In the meantime, I go well. It's some me time. You know what you want. In the meantime, I go well. It's some me time. You know what you want.
And get out of here. And Shay has her room. Illusion.
Now I got up for yoga and we ain't even have it. The hotel is running on a generator right now because the storm is so bad. We've been getting flash flood warnings since my birthday, and Jeremy got one like last night. It was like really loud, like an alert, and it was like a long like ah. So I'm not surprised if the yoga instructor ended up not coming. The yoga class was originally supposed to be on the rooftop and I booked it through my class pass, but then we had to move it to the second floor with the gym, which y'all saw, but I don't think they came. But it's okay. I'm gonna take a shower and maybe we can get some food and that'll be that. Hey y'all, so we are all packed up and ready to head out. We're gonna get out a little bit early since the weather's going nuts and we have to drop off the rental car anyway. But before I go and close out this vlog, I wanted to read my last card. Well, open my last card with y'all from Jeremy. He got me a card for every night that we were here. So, this is my last card. Y'all saw the first one at Tao, and then the other one on my birthday from Dylan in the car. And then here's the last one. So it says, you're out there making things happen, making an impact, and finding new adventures to pursue. But today, it's all about you. Aww. Still my birthday. Hope this birthday is a time for you to relax and let all of us who love you remind you how wonderful you are and how grateful we are to have you in our lives. Aw, my queen, happy 26th birthday, best girlfriend ever. Aw, thank you, babe. So sweet. Okay, well, I hope that y'all have enjoyed this vlog. And if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to join the Chew Gang if you want to stick around for the vibes. And I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.